What's going on, guys? My favorite meal of the day is my first meal, which just so happens to be breakfast, and it's also my pre-workout meal since I tend to lift in the morning. This has 40 grams of protein, 46 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fat for a total of 347 calories. Also, if you love egg whites and you want a quick, low-calorie, high-protein meal, this is it. If you're like me and you're always on a timeline, this is quick and easy to prep because I literally just take everything, toss it in a bowl, put it in the microwave, and I can take it to go. The first thing I do is I add 322 grams of egg whites. I use the Kirkland brand because it doesn't get more American than that. Buy this box at Costco. It comes with 6 cartons of egg whites for $9.99, and the macros are insane. It's super cheap and it's a high quality source of protein. I then add 40 grams or half a cup of plain rolled oats. I stay away from the instant oats because of the high glycemic index that it carries. I don't like to spike my blood sugar in the morning, so I stick with the rolled oats. I then add half a cup of water or so. You can add more or less depending on the consistency that you want. Put this in the microwave for about 4 minutes. Take it out and you're good to go. I then add 1/3 cup of wild organic blueberries, which blueberries are high in fiber, high in antioxidants, and super low in calories. I take them mainly for their anti-inflammatory properties. I mean, seriously, look at these macros. Super low in calories, and the serving size is pretty large. I then take some Himalayan salt. I pour that in there. This is an awesome source of electrolytes before the gym, and this also helps with my pumps in the gym too, since my carb intake is pretty low right now. I then toss some cinnamon on top, and you can add stevia to your liking if you want this to be more sweet. At this point, I don't even care about the taste, so I just stick to my cinnamon and salt. You can eat this hot or you can eat this cold. What I do is I pre-make mine the night before, put it in the fridge, and all I have to do the next day is just grab it and go. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this meal in the comments below.